Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the business analyst expert. Most people know me from my YouTube channel teaching about business analysis. In this 4-minute video, I'm going to give you the exact blueprint that allows me to make my first $20,000 per month on the internet. And do not worry, it's not from selling courses. Let me go straight to the point. The best way to make money online in 2021 is through high-ticket affiliate marketing. For those who are not familiar with this concept, a high-ticket affiliate program is one that pays a high commission rate per referral, often in the range of $1,000 to $5,000. Now let's cut all the bullcrap and let's be honest here. If you want to make $5,000 worth of commission, you need to promote a program that costs at least $10,000, assuming that the program pays 50% commission. All the so-called high-ticket affiliate programs out there that charge $7 or $49 to join are not giving you realistic expectations. Most people will be paying these small fees just so that they can promote the program. Not only you will have thousands of people promoting the same program, but also if everyone just wants to promote the program, how do you expect to make money? You're probably going to tell me, oh well, they sell you on a low ticket offer in the front end and then upsell you with a high ticket offer in the back end. Let me tell you, my friend, that is an outdated method that does not work. Don't get me wrong, you're probably going to make a few bucks here and there, but I'm talking about serious money. The type of money that makes you leave your full-time job. Low-ticket offers attract low-minded people. If you're lucky, 1% of these people will end up signing up for the high-ticket offer, and 50% of them will be asking for a refund. That's just what low-minded people do. That's why you see people online promoting how they made $500 or $1,000 in commissions, but they don't tell you how much of that money was refunded. Also, the same low-minded people would be the ones posting videos complaining about how the system does not work, how the system is a scam, or they'd be whining about how the program is overpriced. Who cares if the program is overpriced? Why does that even matter? If anything, you actually make more commissions the higher the price of the program. At the end of the day, we're all here to make money. If your goal is to learn about digital marketing, I'm pretty sure you can find great quality programs online at very low price. But if you're looking to make serious money online, you should only worry about two things. How much commission do you get after you make a sale, and how well does the program convert? These should be your only two concerns. You want to make sure that when you refer people to the program, there's a good sales team in place that's gonna close the deal for you. If you are one of these people that have been jumping from one cheap program to another without seeing consistent results, it's time to try something new. Let's do the math. If your goal is to make $20,000 per month, you can either recruit 200 people each month for a program that pays $100 commissions, or you can recruit 4 people each month for a program that pays $5,000 commissions. Which one seems more feasible? Another great thing about high-ticket offers is that you can spend a lot more money on advertising and still get a good return on your investment. Let me ask you a question. Do you believe you can make 4 sales each month if you spend $2,000 on ads? Let me be even more conservative here. Let's say you spend $5,000 on ads each month to make 4 sales. That's still $15,000 in your pocket, assuming you're making $5,000 commission per sale. Even if you spend $10,000 per month on ads to get 4 sales, you're still making $10,000 each month. With this type of system, it's almost impossible to fail. So guys, if you're looking for a high-ticket program that pay high commissions and has a high conversion rate, my recommendation to you is this done-for-you system created by Mark Barrett. Mark Barrett has been in the digital space for over 30 years. He made millions of dollars online and has been the top affiliate earner for multiple companies. He recently put together this amazing system, which I believe is one of the best high-ticket affiliate programs out there. It is a done-for-you system, so you do not need to create any website. You don't need to have any marketing skills or make any phone calls. All you need to do is plug into the system, and the system will take care of the rest for you. They also have one of the best sales teams in the industry that will close all the deals for you. Pretty much your only job is to generate leads, and if you don't know how to generate leads, they have a team that can take care of that for you as well. I've been in the digital space for more than 8 years, and this is definitely one of the best systems I've come across. Click on the button below to access the program and decide if this is a good fit for you. Also check your inbox, the spam folder, because I'll be sending another video that gives you a more detailed explanation about this opportunity. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.